Hello friends, in this video I will show you how can you mine Dojo coins on your PC or laptop. So now let's get started. First we have to go to unmineable.com. Now from here you can select your uh, coin which you want to mine. I will select Dojo coin, and now here you will get some options, and now to download this you have to click on download and then go to here and save link as. Now I am going to save this on desktop. I suggest you not to use Chrome because due to it is treated as a antivirus, so it will block your download. So use some another browser, and before installing this you need to uh, turn off your real time antivirus scanning. I did it already, and now let's go to desktop, and here it is. Now here we can extract this. Now let me open this now. Click on continue. Now here you need to select which hardware you have to use. If you have a better graphic card, then you can go with graphic card, or else you can go with CPU also. But for getting more profit you can use GPU only. So now I will select on GPU and click on next. Okay, now here Dogecoin we have selected, and here you have to enter the address of your wallet where you have to collect or store these Doge coins. Now to get the address of your wallet, go to dogecoin.com, and then you have to click on wallet section, and from here you will get two options. Here you have to select Doge Core for collecting Doge coins from mining. So according to your system you can select this and download. I have already downloaded and installed in my PC. Let me show you. Okay, now after installation you can open this, and okay, now from here left corner click on file and click on much receiving address. Now here is the address, just click on copy and paste it here. Now click on start, and here we go, our mining has started. This is my today's mining I did, and it has started. From here you will get some options. From here you can select low or high. If you are doing some some other work also, then you can click on low. Or if you want to give all your power to mining only, then you can select on high. It will use all the resources for mining only, and it will make you some more profit. For starting it takes some time, and then it will start mining. Okay friends, now our mining has started, and now you can, now let me show you a task manager. Here you can check the performance of your GPU. Here you can see I am using NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti, and now it is using 100%, and it is taking 3.23 GB out of 4 GB, and its temperature is also increasing. It needs lots of energy to for mining, so definitely your laptop, if you are using laptop, then it will get heated. To check how much mining is done, you can just click here, and in this website you can check. So this is my today's, and so this is my today's mining balance 0.26, and you can set this pay now automatically, so that it will pay automatically when you have mined 30 Doge coins. So after 30 Doge coins only you can pay, till then you can't pay. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Bye.